second step, actual steps. My wife should be allowed to wash her car. Should be enough room for me to work. trying to get rain to not come in. I don't want it to come in there or there. This will stop the Amazon people from trying to climb through here too. Hopefully. We'll see. But, I mean, that's plenty of room. And if anything, I could back the truck up more. Probably going to end up closing this side off and then putting the door on the other side, just because it doesn't exactly fit since it's 17 feet long and the truck is 20, but I need space up front to work. So there's a door on this thing that will allow me to roll it up, and that'll cover pretty much the top, right from the corners. The back of the truck will still be exposed, but I don't really need it. I don't care about the back anyway, I just care about the front anyway. So I'll probably close off the front, and I'll probably do that tomorrow because all I hear is thunder. Probably got it done just in time. It's a little intrusive, but hopefully it'll save me a couple $1,000s. Alrighty, welcome to the shop. Makeshift, what I got. It's only because I don't have enough space in my garage for this truck to fit. There's space, I can make space, but literally the front of the bumper would be up against the wall, and that's where my squat rack and bench are, and that wouldn't fit. So here we are. In order to work on this 2018 F-150, we've constructed this monstrosity from Harbor Freight. Can't really say monstrosity because, it's working out well so far. We'll see how it goes. So I have to take apart everything from the front of this motor, including the valve covers, the air filter, intake air intake manifold. Probably gonna take it off anyway because I need to change the O-rings on the high output injectors, which are down here. I changed all the O-rings on the regular injectors, and the other ones need it. So why have 16 injectors when you have to change all of them and hide shit? So yeah, this is gonna be the fun part. Everything's coming off just to make ease of access better. That's the whole reason I bought this thing. So I'm not gonna be doing this in one day. It's gonna take a couple days. It's gonna take a couple weeks. On the days that I have time, maybe in the morning before I go to work, maybe in the afternoon after I get off of work, but definitely on the weekends. It's Sunday now. It took me an entire day to build this thing by myself. I was told by my friend Nils not to get this one because it's not that easy to put up by yourself, but pretty much by myself anyway all the time. And that's how most people are when they're doing this kind of stuff, so I'm gonna keep doing it. My filming might not be always be the best because you're just filming on a phone. I have a action cam, but I don't have the storage space and I don't have the patience to swap the stuff from that camera to this phone, and I haven't gotten all that great at editing. You can probably tell by my 100 push-ups a day stuff. Day 22, by the way. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking this stuff apart. I'm actually gonna take off the belt first because I was told again and again, the sound that I'm having is a chirp coming from here. But again and again, people keep telling me, take off the belt because it might be the tensioner. And the timing chains are in here and either side. So I'm gonna take the belt off just to prove to myself and everybody else that it's timing chain, I can't speak at all. Timing chain tensioner chirp. It's 2018, 170,000 miles. I've already taken off the transmission pan and replaced it with one that has a drain on it, replaced the transmission fluid. I changed all 8 spark plugs. Like I said, I changed all the injector O-rings for the top 8 injectors. Changed a couple of the